Good greetings, fellow wellness seekers. I'm delighted you decided to join the Wellness Tribe. Today, I created a presentation for you on chamomile, a name that evokes a sense of calm and tranquility. So get cozy with a cup of tea and settle in for a relaxing chat. This unassuming flower, with its delicate white petals and sunny yellow center, has been a symbol of peace and healing for generations. And if you listen closely, you might even hear it whispering ancient secrets. Or maybe that's just the wind. This small, daisy-like flower holds a rich history. Its story begins in the ancient civilizations of Egypt, Greece and Rome, where it was revered not just for its beauty, but for its medicinal properties. The Egyptians dedicated chamomile to their sun god, Ra, and used it to treat fevers and as an offering in their rituals. Imagine Ra sipping on chamomile tea, basking in the sun and thinking, "This is the life." For centuries it has been cherished across cultures. The Greeks and Romans also recognized its healing powers, using it to alleviate various ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions. In medieval Europe, chamomile was a staple in herbal gardens and was often used in strewing herbs to freshen the air and ward off disease. Picture medieval folks tossing chamomile around like confetti at a party, shouting, "Be gone, foul odours!" Its uses are diverse, its impact undeniable. Today, chamomile is a key ingredient in a wide range of products, from soothing teas and essential oils to skincare and hair care items. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a popular choice for those seeking natural remedies. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the plant world, so many uses, so little time. Join us as we explore the fascinating story of chamomile. This humble flower has traveled across continents and through time, leaving a trail of wellness and comfort in its wake. From the ancient herbalists who first discovered its benefits to the modern wellness enthusiasts who continue to embrace it, chamomile's journey is a testament to its enduring appeal. It's like the forest gump of flowers, always popping up in the most interesting places. From ancient remedies to modern wellness practices, chamomile continues to captivate. Its gentle yet effective nature makes it a favorite in both traditional and contemporary medicine. Whether it's used in a calming tea to ease anxiety, a soothing lotion to heal the skin, or an aromatic oil to promote relaxation, chamomile's versatility is truly remarkable. It's like the plant world's version of a multi-talented celebrity. Think of it as the Meryl Streep of herbs. Its gentle nature belies a powerful ability to soothe and heal. Chamomile tea, for instance, is renowned for its calming effects, helping to reduce stress and promote better sleep. The essential oil, extracted from the flowers, is used in aromatherapy to relieve tension and improve mood. In skincare, chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce redness and irritation, making it a go-to ingredient for sensitive skin. It's like a tiny floral superhero, saving the day one petal at a time. Let's delve into the world of this remarkable plant. As we uncover the layers of history, tradition and modern science that surround chamomile, we gain a deeper appreciation for its enduring legacy. This humble flower, with its unassuming appearance, holds a powerful history that continues to influence our lives in profound ways. So sit back, relax and join us on this journey through the captivating world of chamomile. And remember, if chamomile could talk, it would probably say, "Chill out, I've got this." Chamomile's roots run deep, intertwining with the very fabric of human history. This humble plant, with its delicate white petals and golden center, has been a silent witness to the rise and fall of great civilizations. And if plants could talk, chamomile would have some juicy gossip. Stretching back to ancient civilizations, chamomile has been revered not just for its beauty, but for its myriad of uses. From the banks of the Nile to the bustling streets of ancient Rome, this plant has played a pivotal role in the daily lives of our ancestors. Imagine chamomile as the ancient world's multitasking overachiever. The Egyptians, renowned for their herbal knowledge, held chamomile in high esteem. They believed it was a gift from the gods, a divine remedy that could cure ailments and bring comfort. Chamomile was often depicted in their art and hieroglyphs, symbolizing its importance in their culture. You could say chamomile was the ancient Egyptian equivalent of a celebrity endorsement. They used it to honor their gods and treat various ailments. Whether it was to soothe a fever, calm an upset stomach, or even to embalm their dead. Chamomile was a staple in their medicinal practices. Yes, you heard that right. Chamomile was the ancient world's Swiss Army knife. If only they had known about chamomile tea bags. The Greeks, too, recognized chamomile's value. They named it ground apple for its sweet apple-like aroma. Greek physicians such as Hippocrates and Dioscorides wrote extensively about its healing properties. They used it to treat a variety of conditions, from inflammation to digestive issues. Chamomile was basically the ancient Greek version of a health guru. The name ground apple was not just a poetic description, but a testament to the plant's pleasant fragrance and its widespread use in Greek society. Fields of chamomile would bloom, filling the air with their sweet scent, a reminder of nature's bounty, and probably making ancient Greek bees very happy. The Romans used it for its calming and digestive properties. Chamomile's influence was widespread. Roman soldiers would carry it with them to soothe their wounds and calm their nerves after battle. It was also a popular ingredient in Roman cuisine, used to flavor dishes and beverages, because nothing says victory feast like a chamomile-infused dish. The Romans believed that chamomile could bring peace and tranquility, both to the body and the mind. It was a symbol of resilience and strength, qualities that were highly valued in Roman society. Chamomile, the ancient Roman secret weapon for Zen. As time went on, chamomile's reputation only grew. During the medieval period, it was a key ingredient in many herbal remedies. Monks and apothecaries would cultivate it in their gardens, using it to create potions and salves that could heal a multitude of ailments. Chamomile was the medieval version of a must-have in every apothecary's toolkit. Chamomile was seen as a panacea, a cure-all that could bring relief to those suffering from a variety of conditions. Its calming properties made it a popular choice for treating anxiety and insomnia, while its anti-inflammatory effects were used to soothe skin irritations and wounds. Chamomile, the medieval miracle worker. During the Renaissance, chamomile continued to be a favorite among herbalists and physicians. Its uses were documented in numerous botanical texts, and it was a common sight in the gardens of the time. The plant's versatility and effectiveness ensured its place in the annals of medical history. Chamomile was the Renaissance's botanical rock star. Today, chamomile remains a beloved herb, cherished for its gentle yet powerful healing properties. From soothing teas to calming essential oils, its legacy continues to thrive. The ancients were onto something with chamomile. Who knew a flower could be so versatile? Chamomile, the timeless superstar of the herbal world. Chamomile tea is more than just a drink, it's like a warm hug in a cup. This humble flower, with its delicate petals and gentle fragrance, has been cherished for centuries across various cultures and traditions. Its significance is deeply rooted in history, where it was revered not just for its medicinal properties, but also for its spiritual and cultural importance. And let's be honest, even the green man needs a break from all that greenery. In traditional medicine, chamomile was a versatile remedy. It was often used to soothe stomach aches, ease anxiety, and promote sleep. Healers and herbalists would prepare chamomile infusions and tinctures, believing in its power to bring balance and harmony to the body. The dried flowers were carefully stored in apothecary jars, ready to be used whenever needed, because even the green man gets a tummy ache from too many forest berries. Chamomile played a significant role in rituals and ceremonies. In ancient times, it was believed that chamomile could connect the physical and spiritual realms. During rituals, the flowers were often used to invoke protection, healing, and blessings. The presence of chamomile in these ceremonies was a testament to its revered status among various cultures. And who knew? The green man's secret to staying evergreen might just be a chamomile ritual or two. Its calming aroma purified spaces and fostered a sense of peace. The scent of chamomile, when burned as incense, was thought to cleanse the environment of negative energies and promote tranquility. This practice was common in both homes and sacred spaces, where the gentle fragrance would create an atmosphere of calm and serenity, perfect for when the green man needs to chill after a long day of photosynthesis. Chamomile was woven into garlands, offered to deities, and burned as incense. These garlands were not just decorative, they were symbolic offerings of respect and devotion. In temples and places of worship, chamomile flowers were presented to gods and goddesses as a gesture of reverence and gratitude. The act of offering chamomile was a way to seek divine favor and blessings. Even the green man knows that a chamomile garland can spruce up any forest gathering. Chamomile was an integral part of life. From the fields where it was cultivated to the homes where it was cherished, chamomile's presence was ubiquitous. It was a symbol of health, peace, and spiritual connection. In various cultural settings, chamomile was celebrated for its ability to bring comfort and healing, making it more than just a simple flower. Its legacy continues to thrive, reminding us of the timeless bond between nature and human well-being. And remember, even the green man himself enjoys a cup of chamomile tea after a long day of being, well, green. Many thanks, Wellness Tribe, for joining me, the Green Man, on this soothing journey of chamomile. I hope that you'll like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to be notified of more enlightening content. Looking forward to seeing you again soon.